Finally I can say buongiorno, buongiorno you guys, and this is still me. Yeah, I know I'm not really recognizable, but that's me in the mornings. Today I am going to have my day off and I invite you to come with me. It's like 8:10. I should hurry up. Basically, I won't do anything specific in this morning. I just want to put the house together and just, you know, keep some order. And also my office is like left in a very bad condition, so I'm going to put it in order. But then in the afternoon I organize some stuff. So let's start the day.
Alright, so here it goes. Basically, I like you, maybe you like me too. Maybe it's a little soon.
So it is 12:30. I'm just like in front of my door and the sun is up and it's beautiful. I still have no makeup on and that's really weird because usually I get up and I just get it, like I get it on. But I really wanted to have my skin chill a little bit because recently I'm facing some issues with it. Now I'm going to do the most Italian thing ever. That is basically digest and just chill out a little bit. So it's gonna be my siesta time. And then I'm gonna go for a run because the sun is up, as you can see. It's probably very like disturbing. I'm gonna go for a run. It's usually something I don't do because I prefer going to the gym, but we can't go to the gym now, so I'm gonna do whatever I can to stay healthy and fit. So that's what's gonna happen afterwards. And then I'm meeting Pálma and we are going to create some content in the city center, so I'm pretty excited about today. Actually, not many of you guys know that I have scalp psoriasis. That's just a thing that accompanies me since at least like 8 years now. You can see it here, it's pretty red. So I'm using a cream to try to moisturize my head, and I also use special treatments, but nothing seems to be so, you know, effective. I quite got used to it, honestly, so it's fine. Of course I would be happy to help myself some way, so I'm trying to, you know, like really make changes in my life, but it's mainly really when I'm like extremely happy or it's like we are at the seaside and it makes my scalp be really, you know, like relaxed and fresh. I also have to concentrate myself on not working on these days and it's extremely hard, guys. Like I constantly have ideas. I'm filming now because otherwise it would be just boring to me. I don't know. It's just very hard to decide not doing something on the days off and just chill. I'm getting ready because it's 1 o'clock and it's time, but also because I'm gonna meet my friend Pálma. She's also Hungarian, living in Italy, and it's so funny because we firstly met to create content together because she's also a content creator, and then we became friends. So now it's just like a split thing together, so we create the content and have fun and just, you know, like vibing so much. She's really different than me, but somehow we just work so well. So I just really can't wait. The sun is up, the weather is amazing, so I'm just getting on my motorbike and go to the center, obviously after this is done. I'm almost sure that I didn't manage to have my curly hair on the back, so let me know.
The love that's here to stay, and I want love that ends this pain.
Bocs, még egyszer. We arrived and now we're just gonna shoot some pictures. There are a lot of people and a lot of like pigeons and everything.
The pigeon attack.
But Hopefully we are gonna survive it. Look at that. Oh my god.
I'm crossing the Potomac. After we talked last night, we both got what we wanted, just not wanted at this time. The weight is on my shoulders, 'cause I just wanna hear your voice. We're both now getting older, too old to just be background noise. Money doesn't go as far.
So we have been talking to Pálma, in Hungarian obviously, and she said something very beautiful, and just shouting, and I was like, oh, could you please just tell it to the camera, like it's so sweet. So I was just saying that I really love her outfit.
Yeah,
She looks
thank
so
you.
good. It changed a lot, like in the past 1 year, and she said like, you know why, and I was like, why?
Yeah, no, it's absolutely because you know when you have a friend who's a stylist, a personal shopper, you see her style, the things that she's posting on the social, you want to be stylish yourself too, but not by copying her style, which is not yours. We are a different personality. So I was like, how could I improve my personal style, because I want to be stylish like
That's so
Csenge is,
cool,
and,
like-
I'm so glad that you appreciated it. That
I do,
You noticed that I'm trying.
That's my goal.
So happy.
So yeah, that's just what I wanted to say. Anyway, we're now going to the castle. It's just exactly where I had my motorbike, and I'm just gonna show you what is the castle like, because we are just actually seeing it now, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna show you. So this is my outfit for home, loungewear. I really love wearing comfortable stuff at home that represent my style, and this is just exactly what happened. I don't know how did I do that, but I love it. And wearing a hat and shoes because I'm about to go out for a walk with my dog. And then, like this is the exact moment when I find really extremely hard to avoid sitting down and work, because I have like 1 hour completely free that I could dedicate to it, but I'm going to concentrate on my day off, so we'll probably cook, I don't know, before my husband gets home, but we will see. I just try to be strict on me. So now let's go for a walk. Oh my gosh, it was a long day, but it was amazing. So it's still not over. I just got back home, and just before leaving today I received a package, so I just didn't have time to open it, and I really want to show you what's inside because I know what's inside. So let's open it together. I still have a lot to drink today. It is not clothing, it's not shoes, nothing like that, but are my flyers. The Italian version already arrived yesterday, so I already know how it's exactly the same, just the language changes. So this is something I'm gonna give to my clients. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. I'm incredibly proud. This is a good new step in my business. So today I'm going to prepare like these vegetarian meatballs that are not meat, obviously, because we are trying to eat less meat and eat more vegetables and everything, but of course, since I don't eat fish, for example, I can't really eat other than meat or vegetables, so this is a very good solution for that. And I see even my husband that he's like ready to take this step towards becoming a vegetarian. That is a very exciting journey, and drink some Chianti and enjoy our evening. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was different, but I hope you enjoyed. So see you next time. Ciao.